So today we escaped to the mall. Alex went. It's the first time he's been in a store since March. And of course he's in crutches right now, so it was a little bit difficult, but he was determined and we went to a mall that we've never been to, La Isla. What are you excited about?
I might get a toy.
You might get a toy.
Also, I've been outside for the first time in well, technically a few days ago. I went outside because the dog was crazy and Mom wasn't there.
Yeah. And you also go to the dentist.
It's not a positive thing. It's not a positive reason for me to go outside.
All right. So we don't use the crutches every day, but we're bringing it just in case you get tired.
I would put masks on all these mannequins. What if someone sees you from the side and thinks you don't have a mask?
So overall, a good trip. Alex got Legos, candy, and a moment outside. We're mostly just waiting for the parks to open though.